My collection is called Gravity, and there was no particular fabric which I have used because I've used like zillions sort of textures, different fabrics, along with some leatherite, rexine, some leather trimmings, quilting, different techniques I've used. It was very structural. It was a bit futuristic. It was very sci-fi meets very contemporary fashion. Uh, so we had a very couture silhouette also, and we had something which is very desi too. And there's certain things which you can transform from very western to eastern also.
The collection I just showed is it called Jalal. Jalal is passion. Very punchy, very happening hip collection. The fabrics were really soft. The silhouette was relaxed and organic, and then it had very spiritual feel to it. Since my inspiration was Far East, Buddhas, as you can see, I'm trying to be one.
Nomi, I think, did a fabulous finale because after a long time we saw him having fun with fashion. He's a great creator, he's very good with couture, with construction, and he had fun with his collection. Usually he does very commercially safe collections because they're the ones that do best in business. But today he had so much fun with it. His theme was gravity, the color palette was metallic, and it was a lot of fun to watch. And I'm sure that it'll diffuse very well into ready to wear. So Fashion Week is like an inverted pyramid. They started from the tip and they have to work themselves up and broaden. Everything needs to increase now. The sale needs to increase. The number of designers that are good and qualified needs to increase. Everything needs to get bigger and better. It can't remain small and niche and young anymore. It has to translate into big numbers. And that is what the next step should be.
So I think that was like a fantastic, like holistic show, and like I can't go away to go and pick up things from Daman, for example, or like if I look at yesterday's show, there was some great stuff yesterday that happened as well. So I think overall it has been like a great fashion week, and look forward to this happening again.